Did you know you can now compare the data for two different videos using the comparison feature in the new YouTube Studio Analytics tool? I'm at the beautiful Mangawai Beach in New Zealand. Stay tuned throughout the video as I compare the performance stats of two different videos, as well as show you how to group videos together to see which are your top performers. This image compares the stats for my old video versus the stats for my new video. My old video is how to turn off ads on YouTube channel and videos, and my new video is called how to turn off ads on YouTube. In the last 28 days, the old video got 23,000 views, 21,000 watch time minutes, 74 subscribers, 118,000 impressions, and a 13% impressions click-through rate. Whereas the new video, how to turn off ads on YouTube, just got 5,997 views, 8,000 watch time minutes, 41 new subscribers, 28,000 impressions, 11% impressions click-through rate. Obviously, my old video is doing better than my new video. Here are the steps to compare the performance stats of two different videos. Make sure you're logged into your YouTube channel. Click on YouTube Studio Beta. Now you're at your YouTube channel Studio dashboard. Click Analytics. Click See More. This page gives you an overview of the stats for your channel in the last 28 days. You can change this duration by just clicking on this drop down and select 90 days, 365 days, etc. If you want to compare the stats for two different videos in the last 28 days, I select a video from this list at the bottom. So I'm going to select this one, how to turn off ads on YouTube channel and videos. Click Compare To. I can select a video from a list here, but I don't see it, so I'm going to do a search. Here's my new video. So I click on that. So my old video, how to turn off ads on YouTube channel and videos, has got 23,000 views, 21,000 watch time minutes, 74 subscribers. It's made $35 in revenue, 118,000 impressions, and impressions click-through rate of 13%. My new video has got 6,000 views in the last 28 days, 8,000 watch time minutes, 41 new subscribers, generated $12 in revenue, has got 28,000 impressions, has got 11% impressions click-through rate. What if I want to compare the total amount of likes these two videos got in the last 28 days? Click the plus sign where it says Add Metric to Table, select Interactions drop down, click Likes. My old video got 118 likes, and my new video got only 43 likes. What if I want to compare the average view duration for these two videos? Click Average View Duration. I can see that my old video only got an average view duration of 0.54 seconds, whereas my new video got a higher average view duration of 1.21 minutes. This shows that my new video is getting a higher audience retention than my old video. I can also change the date range by clicking on the drop down and selecting 90 days. I can still see that my old video gets 0.54 seconds average view duration, and my new video gets 1.23 minutes average view duration. The old video got 23,000 views, and the new video got 19,000 views. Over time, the new video will probably get more views. Impressions click-through rate is how many times the thumbnail was seen on the search engines. 13% for the old, 11% for the new. Over time, the new video will probably get a higher impressions click-through rate. Let's talk about how to group videos of a similar format together so you can analyze their performance. For example, I created a group of my top performing videos. Here are the steps to create a group. Log into YouTube channel. Click YouTube Studio Beta. Click Analytics. Click See More. Click the drop down at the top here. You've got all videos and groups. Here's a group I just created called Top Performers. If you want to create a new group, click Create New Group. For the sake of this example, I'll call it Test 1. Then say I want to compare all my live stream videos. So check all these videos and click Save. And click Test 1. I've got all my live stream videos listed here for the last 28 days, and I can change this to last 90 days, 365 days, lifetime, etc. If I change to last 90 days, I can see that TubeBuddy Research Tool versus Morning Fame got the most amount of views, but my YouTube channel review 2019 got the most impressions. Let's check my top performers. Here's a group I created called my top performers. These were my top performers based upon the impressions click-through rate of over 10%. I can also see the number of views that they got, watch time minutes, subscribers, and impressions. This was all in the last 28 days. I can also change it to last 90 days. If I want to add another metric to it, say average view duration, just click the plus sign, click average view duration, and you can see that this column has been added. I can quickly see that how to turn off ads on YouTube got my highest average view duration. I can also test two different groups of videos. Click groups, click backdrop before, click compare to, click groups, click backdrop after. Now I can compare the stats for the groups of videos in the last 90 days with the old backdrop called backdrop before to the group of new videos called backdrop after. You can see that the views increased from 386 to 3000 with the new backdrop. The watch time increased, subscribers increased, revenue increased, impressions increased, the impressions click-through rate also increased. Let me ask you a question. Which feature do you like the most in YouTube Studio Analytics? Post your answer in the comments below. I'd love to read them, and I'm sure others would too. Another great feature of YouTube Studio Beta is the new YouTube video editor. Watch my next video to learn how to trim an existing video on YouTube without losing any comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.